21 foods that can help you save your heart. Number 1. Fresh herbs. When you use them in place of salt and fat in foods, you are making a heart-healthy option. They offer taste without adding any undesirable ingredients. Spices and other foods are tasty ways to eat heart-healthy. Number 2. Red wine and resveratrol. If you drink alcohol, a glass of red wine may be a heart-healthy decision. Resveratrol and catechins, 2 antioxidants found in red wine, may protect arterial walls. Alcohol can also increase HDL, or good cholesterol. Alcohol is bad for your heart. Drink no more than 1 drink per day for ladies or 2 drinks per day for males. It's best to consult with your doctor beforehand. Alcohol may cause issues for those who are taking aspirin or other drugs. Number 3. Salmon, superfood. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids, making it a top meal for heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids are heart-healthy fats that may reduce the risk of cardiac rhythm problems and blood pressure. They may also help to reduce triglycerides and inflammation. 2 meals of salmon or other fatty fish per week is recommended by the American Heart Association. Cooking tip: wrap fish in foil and bake with herbs and vegetables. Extra cooked salmon can be used in fish tacos and salads. Number 4. Tuna for omega-3s. Tuna, which is sometimes less expensive than salmon, contains omega-3 fatty acids. Albacore, white tuna, has higher omega-3 fatty acids than other tuna kinds. Grill tuna steak with dill and lemon on the grill. Other omega-3 rich foods include mackerel, herring, lake trout, sardines, and anchovies. To keep your heart healthy, choose tuna packed in water rather than oil. Number 5. Olive oil. This oil is a good source of fat that is created from crushed olives. It's high in antioxidants that are good for your heart. They might shield your blood vessels. When olive oil is substituted for saturated fat, such as butter, it can help decrease cholesterol levels. Serve with salads, cooked vegetables, or toast. Taste tip: look for cold-pressed and use it within 6 months for the greatest flavor. Number 6. Walnuts. A tiny handful of walnuts every day may help decrease cholesterol. It may help protect against inflammation in the arteries of your heart. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids, monounsaturated fats, plant sterols, and fiber. The advantages occur when walnuts substitute unhealthy fats found in chips and cookies. Use walnut oil in salad dressings. Number 7. Almonds. Slivered almonds complement vegetables, seafood, poultry, and sweets. Plant sterols, fiber, and heart-healthy fats are all present. Almonds may aid in the reduction of bad LDL cholesterol. Take a tiny handful each day. Toast them to enhance their creamy, mild taste. Number 8. Edamame. These may have appeared as an appetizer in an Asian restaurant. Soybeans are known as edamame in Japanese. Soy protein can aid with cholesterol reduction. A cup of edamame also has 8 grams of fiber, which is good for your heart. You'd need to consume 4 pieces of whole wheat bread to obtain that much fiber. Tip: boil frozen edamame before serving heated in the pod. A pleasant snack is made by removing the tasty beans from the tough pod. Number 9. Tofu. Tofu is a fantastic source of vegetarian soy protein, as well as heart-healthy minerals, fiber, and polyunsaturated fats. It can take on the flavor of the spices or sauces used to prepare it. Tips: chop firm tofu, marinade, and then grill or stir-fry with minimal oil. Tofu is a low-fat protein that may be added to soups. Number 10. Sweet potatoes. Replace white potatoes with sweet potatoes. These potatoes have a lower glycemic index than white potatoes, so they won't produce a fast surge in blood sugar. Fiber, vitamin A, and lycopene are also present. Instead of sugary toppings, boost their natural sweetness with a sprinkling of cinnamon and lime juice. Number 11. Oranges. Oranges are sweet and juicy, and they include the cholesterol-fighting fiber pectin. They also include potassium, which aids in blood pressure regulation. In one study, 2 cups of orange juice per day reduced diastolic blood pressure in obese people. A medium orange has roughly 62 calories and 3 grams of fiber. Number 12. Swiss chard. This leafy dark green vegetable is high in potassium and magnesium. These minerals aid in blood pressure regulation. Swiss chard is also high in fiber, vitamin A, and antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. Serve it alongside grilled meats or as a bed for fish. Cook it with olive oil and garlic until wilted. Season with herbs and pepper to taste. Number 13. Barley. Replace rice with this nutty whole grain. Barley may also be cooked in soups and stews. Barley's fiber content may aid in cholesterol reduction. It may also help to reduce blood sugar levels. Learn everything you can about barley. The most nutritious barley is whole or whole grain barley. Toasted and crushed barley grits. They're delicious as a breakfast or as a side dish. Although pearl barley is fast, most of the heart-healthy fiber has been eliminated. Number 14. Oatmeal. Warm oatmeal keeps you full for hours, resists snack attacks, and helps maintain blood sugar levels consistent over time, making it good for diabetics as well. The fiber in oats can benefit your heart by decreasing harmful cholesterol, LDL. Steel-cut or slow-cooked oats produce the best results. Baking tip. Do you want to make pancakes, muffins, or other baked goods? Oats can be used in place of 1/3 of the flour. Number 15. Flaxseed. This lustrous, honey-colored seed has 3 heart-healthy ingredients: fiber, phytochemicals known as lignans, and omega-3 fatty acids. For the finest nourishment, grind flaxseed. Add it to cereal, baked goods, yogurt, or a sandwich with mustard. Number 16. Low-fat yogurt. You probably think to yourself, good for my bones, when you think about dairy foods. These meals can also aid in the management of high blood pressure. Yogurt contains a lot of calcium and potassium. Choose low-fat types to increase calcium while reducing fat. Number 17. Foods fortified with sterols. Cholesterol-fighting sterols and stanols are added to some margarines, soy milks, almond milks, and orange juices. These plant extracts prevent your intestines from absorbing cholesterol. They can reduce LDL cholesterol by 10% while leaving HDL cholesterol alone. Number 18. Cherries. Sweet cherries, sour cherries, dried cherries, and cherry juice are all delectable. All are high in anthocyanins, which are antioxidants. They are thought to help protect blood vessels. Learn more. Dried cherries may be used into cereal, muffin batter, green salads, and wild rice. Number 19. Blueberries. When it comes to nutrients, blueberries are just fantastic. They include anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that assist blood vessels. These antioxidants are responsible for the berry's dark blue hue. Blueberries also include fiber and a variety of other beneficial elements. Fresh or dried blueberries can be used with cereal, pancakes, or yogurt. Dessert idea. Puree a batch to make a sweet sauce for dipping or drizzling on other sweet desserts. Number 20. Dark leafy greens. When your parents urged you to eat your greens, they were onto something. They are high in vitamins and minerals. They're also strong in nitrates, which aid to open blood arteries and allow oxygen-rich blood to reach your heart. They can be found in vegetables such as lettuce, spinach, bok choy, and mustard greens. Arugula. Add greens to a stir-fry, sauté them with olive oil, or roast them with garlic to bring out the taste. Number 21. Black beans. Black beans, which are mild and delicate, are high in heart-healthy minerals. Blood pressure can be reduced with the use of folate, antioxidants, and magnesium. Their fiber aids in the regulation of cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Beans can be used to flavor soups and salads. Rinse canned beans to eliminate excess salt.